set, go! And Geeeeez is taking the lead. Johnny is lagging behind and Josh is waiting his turn. Geeeeez gives the victory symbol already. He's still got 4 more times to go around the track. Here comes Geeeeez around the corner. John lagging way behind. Now Josh is in the race. Josh, oh, he's pedaling. He's not pedaling. He's pushing with his feet. He's breaking the rules. Oh, he's down. He's down, ladies and gentlemen. Josh Tanner is down. Geeeeez is round in the corner. He is now 2 laps in, 3 laps to go. Johnny Dockery is way behind. The caution flag is not going to wave. We're just going to have to race around the accident. Johnny is about to be lapped. Johnny is going to be lapped. Geeeeez is 3 laps in with 2 laps to go. Johnny still has 3 laps to go, and now he is just plain cheating. And Geeeeez, now Josh is on foot, making up valuable time. But Geeeeez is still leading, even though they're on foot, and Geeeeez has only 1 lap to go. The white flag is out. Geeeeez has 1 lap to go. He's coming around the far turn. Looks like he's going to win if he can make it in, if he's got enough fuel left. I hope the pit crew calculated his fuel correctly. That is 1 tiny bicycle there.